Hello viewers. In this video, I am going to cover numericals of green chemistry on one of the most important principle, atom economy, as per Mumbai University syllabus. So first of all, just make it clear, there is never any theory question based upon atom economy, but there is one numerical 100% on the calculation of atom economy with the minimum weightage of 3 to 5 marks. So let's understand in brief what is exactly atom economy. Atom economy is basically the efficiency of any chemical reaction, or it is also called atom utilization. This is the concept which actually aims to minimize environmental impact. And atom economy is generally calculated by using the formula molecular weight of desired product upon molecular weight, sum of molecular weight of all the reactants multiplied by 100. So molecular weight of products upon molecular weight of reactant is the ratio or is the formula of atom economy. Atom economy is beneficial in many ways, like for the reduction of waste, resource efficiency, economical consideration of many processes, environmental impact and regulatory compliances. After that, we are just going to directly understand how to calculate or solve the numerical on atom economy. So this is the reaction given to you. You should first of all identify what are the reactants and what are the products in this reaction. So basically the reactants here are C6H5NH2 and C6H5COCl, where on reaction they give formation of C6H5NHCO C6H5. So this one is product, and initially whatever we have used, these are reactants. Now you can see in the reaction there is a formation of byproduct also. But atom economy always focused on the conversion of all reactants into final product without generation of waste. That is the basic aim or principle of green chemistry. So there should not be or negligible formation of waste. That is basically with aim here. So in this kind of numerical, you just identify the main reactants and you identify product. After that, you calculate the molecular weight of both the reactants given here. So how to calculate? Just formula look at here. Suppose the reactants are given C6H5. Reactants here are C6H5 C6H5NH2. So you can count here total number of carbons are 6 carbon, 5 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and again twice H2. So just put the molecular weight value of each element and just calculate their molecular weight. Again you can also go for the calculation of molecular weight of C6H5COCl by using same formula, and then finally you calculate the molecular weight of product. Again count down the number of carbons in the molecular weight of product formula, number of hydrogen, number of oxygen and number of nitrogen. Put their value and just calculate the molecular weight. After calculation of molecular weight of all reactants and product, you have formula percent atom economy is equal to again molecular weight of product upon molecular weight of reactants. So product in the previous reaction is C6H5NH COC6H5, and there was also one more byproduct HCl, but during atom economy calculation you must avoid the formation of byproducts which are not considered first of all. Second one is that you should also avoid the presence of catalyst. So what we will do, we will only focus upon target product and the reactants. So in this reaction the reactants are C6H5NH2 plus C6H5COCl. So just put the value here, their molecular weight, and multiply by 100. This is your atom economy. This is called the percent atom economy of the reaction. After that, one more example we can take it for consideration. Suppose this is the reaction given to you, CH3CH double bond CH3 plus this is O2 and this one is C6H5H2O3 is the product. Again these two are the reactants what we have considered. These two are reactants and this one is product. So as per the formula, just calculate the molecular weight of reactants, calculate the molecular weight of product, put the formula of atom economy, molecular weight of product upon molecular weight of reactants multiplied by 100. So when you put all this formula, keep their molecular weight here in this formula, which is 98, and the molecular weight of both the reactants are 56 and 96 as per calculation. So this is to be expected. Put the value and get the formula of value of atom economy. After that, this is also one kind of numerical given in the exam. So if benzene ring is given, you should understand like how many number of carbons are there. Just count down. So we can see in a formula C6, this structure, this represents C6H6 multiplied by 4.5 O2. This 4 half O2 is 4.5 O2 and this structure completely represents C4H2O3. This structure, the molecular formula is C4H2O3. So first of all, you just identify the molecular formula of reactant, both the reactant product. In this reaction also you can see formation of byproducts which has to be avoided. So after that, again just calculate their everyone's molecular weight and then go for a formula. Percent atom economy is molecular weight of product upon molecular weight of reactants multiplied by 100. Put their value, like what is the molecular weight of product we have calculated here, 96. So keep this value here. Then molecular weight of two reactants we have calculated 78 and 144. So just keep this value in the formula and get the calculation, that is percent atom economy. So in this way, this is the simplest way. By using a simplest formula, we can calculate percent atom economy. These are a few reactions given to you for a practice. Please go through that and solve the reactions. Thank you all of you. See you in the next lecture.